How buyback using retro tax refund helps Cairn. Cairn is set to receive a refund for taxes collected over an internal rearrangement process, in which Cairn UK transferred shares of Cairn India Holdings to Cairn India in 2006-2007. Cairn sold a majority of its India business to Vedanta Resources Limited in 2011, but income tax authorities barred it from selling about 10%, citing pending taxation issues. PTI photo of file. British oil and gas exploration company Cairn on Monday announced a share repurchase program worth £20 million, 199.9 rupees crore, prior to a larger buyback program, after the company receives approximately 7,900 rupees crore of $1.06 billion from the Government of India. We examine details of the refund and Cairn's share buyback plans. Why is Cairn receiving a refund? Cairn is set to receive a refund for taxes collected over an internal rearrangement process, in which Cairn UK transferred shares of Cairn India Holdings to Cairn India in 2006-2007. Tax authorities treated the transfer as a sale and sought to impose taxes of 24,500 rupees crore over the transaction, after passing an amendment in the IT Act allowing the government to tax the transaction retrospectively. Cairn sold a majority of its India business to Vedanta Resources Limited in 2011, but income tax authorities barred it from selling about 10%, citing pending taxation issues. The government amended the Income Tax Act to allow for retrospective taxation of the transaction after the Supreme Court verdict in a similar case, which held that Vodafone could not be taxed for a 2007 transaction that involved its purchase of a 67% stake in Hutchison Whampoa for $11 billion. After prolonged litigation, Cairn won an award of $1.2 billion, formed the Permanent Court of Arbitration at The Hague and sought to have it enforced through the seizure of government assets in other countries, including those of Air India. Post the verdict, the government had in August amended the Taxation Laws Act to end all retrospective taxation on the indirect transfer of Indian assets prior to May 2021. The government also moved to start talks to settle claims of companies that had been taxed retrospectively under the respective taxation amendment, including Cairn and Vodafone. How is Cairn using the refund? Has previously announced that it intends to use the refund from the Indian government to distribute $700 million to shareholders through dividend payouts and share buybacks.